Hello my friends, me and Nan here. Today is 9th of January year 2023. Anyway, Happy New Year. It's a bit late. Just a new year began and we just passed year 2022. Anyway, that year gone, new year, more things to come. Anyway, this is my friends very quick video. What I done? You might remember that I was showing you my Hi-Vis for new employer, working for the new employer. Okay, you can see that video under this video. I'm gonna put the link. Anyway, what this video is about, a quick video that I remove the Velcro. Velcro, you know, that clothing things like you can use for clothing or whatever. It's like you can close, okay, using buttons or whatever. But anyway, I have removed the Velcro, and this is my Hi-Vis. I have shown you in other video. Okay, this is a WHS video. What do you see in the video? That there's a Velcro connected to that it was just stitched actually automatically, with the employer. Anyway, I'm just going to work. That's why I'm in the rush. So anyway, here you can see I just put the zip. What I done, I removed the Velcro from Hi-Vis and I replaced with the zip, because I had a problem with the Velcro. It was sticking all over the place. The threads were coming out of the thing, and it's not really practical. So I removed the Velcro yesterday from the Hi-Vis and put the zip. I bought from the eBay and put a zip, and now that's how it looks like. Okay, and you can see the zip. Okay, and the other side. Okay, I put the zip, you can see. Okay, and I put some little bit design here. I mean, I just had to cover that one because there was in the cloth was a little bit damaged. It was just because of Velcro, and the thread was coming out, so I had to cover that one. It's kind of art on both sides, left and right. Okay, let me move this one here. Okay, so I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna show you that how it looks like with zip very quick. Alright, my friends, that is Hi-Vis, WHS, my new employer, and I just removed the Velcro, and now it got no Velcros. Okay, no more Velcro on it, and Velcro was here. Okay, so I removed the Velcro and replaced it with the zip, and it's worked just fine. No more threads coming out or anything like that. The problem is solved. Okay, that's how it looks. Anyway, there's the back side, there's the front side. Okay, now my friends, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just show you that zip is just working fine. Okay, I hope you can see zip. Okay, it looks alright, perfect. I'm just looking at time because I got to go to work. Here's today is a Monday, anyway, my friends, the first day. Actually, the second week of the January, but first day of the second week. Anyway, friends, here there it is. I got the Velcro removed. It was here, Velcro. I moved it. The threads were coming out. It was no good. So I have no more thread sticking when I use it, because when you open and close that Hi-Vis all the time, on off all the time. So it's not really practical. So I thought, what about removing velcros and put the zip on. Okay, looks fine. Okay, easy open and easy to close. No more threads sticking all over the place, because velcro is very bad for that reason. My jumper, some of my shirts, they are damaged because of velcro. So problem solved. Hi-Vis with a zip. Bought from eBay for I think 195, £1 and 95 pence in UK currency. Anyway, here the final look. And okay, back and front looks better now, much better. Open easily. Okay, looks good. And then close it. That's it. All done. Okay, it may be, I don't know, maybe for you it's good idea or not, but it works fine with my Hi-Vis. Okay, anyway friend, thanks for watching video. I gotta go. Okay, I gotta go. I'm gonna get taxi because I will be late if I'm gonna get the bus, because I was sleeping a little bit over. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Keep watching, activated and then me right here, and have a nice day. Yes, alright, good luck with your New Year and have a nice year. That's it.